the Grizzly 14-inch, 1 horsepower Deluxe bandsaw. We're going to do an unboxing for you. This is the G0555LX. Box 2 is the stand.
Yeah.
It comes with a set of instructions right here on top, as you would expect. We're going to need those. Okay, so when you take this thing apart, obviously be careful because there are some parts on the bottom side of that styrofoam. We left it to stand it up and walk it out, but there's a bunch of stuff. You got the fence right here. This bar comes with it. Another bar.
So my suggestion is unbox and set up the table first, because this has to be mounted to the
And we
table.
got the deck right here. It's nice and oiled, sealed. That's nice. Got a box of parts in there. What do we got?
Yeah, those are the accessories that you need.
Here we got the square in here. There's the square. And bag of accessories that comes with it. Everything you need to assemble it, including some keys in here. Nice barrel keys. All right, we're moving in. There's the motor. So this is how it arrives, just like this.
I'm lifting it by these cast iron backing here, so it's heavy.
Very heavy. You gotta be very careful. You're gonna need at least 2 people to unbox this. And here it is. Yeah, look at that. On off switch. Set up. Very nice. Oh, I don't wanna mess with this.
Yeah, they might be locked in position.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it alone for now.
Until,
But yeah, so there you go. Now we gotta just put it on the stand that came with it. We're good to go. But check it out. This is the Grizzly G0555LX 14-inch Deluxe bandsaw.